A very common question that arises with the use of Workspace is, what is the difference between a project and a to-do? For this example, we're going to talk in the context of a tax shop. To-dos can be defined as a single step, single staff member activity, which means that one person is doing something and it does not get passed through the office for any concurrent steps. Some examples of this could be payroll processing, making copies, ordering lunch, etc. Those tasks would be called a to-do because they do not get passed through the office or have any sort of set steps. It's one person doing one thing. A project is a multiple step, multiple staff member activity. This is what we call workflow. A project has a built set of steps or assignments that you work through to the completion of that project. In the context of a tax return, for example, you may have steps that resemble input prep of that tax return, gathering some missing information, having a partner or staff member review the tax return, assembling it for pickup, e-filing it, collecting payment, and then sending it to the client. That process is defined by a project, whereas a to-do would just be one single step. The project has the capability of tracking all of those steps under one roof. It's a very important concept to make sure that the tasks that you're tracking are located in the correct area. If you'd like to be able to track your progress through a job, you would use a project. If you would just like to let someone know to do a specific task, you may use a to-do instead. So what is the difference between a to-do and a project? To-dos are single-step activities, whereas projects combine a larger set of assignments under one umbrella for ease of tracking and movability.